psychology exciting, guy?
Pretty good. I decided to talk about narrative-based learning since it aligns with my research on memory retention.
Oh, smart move. It's easier to explain something you already study, and narrative learning definitely relates to psychology like cognitive processing, attention, and emotional encoding.
Exactly. Stories activate more cognitive pathways, so information gets encoded more deeply. That's why people remember stories better than plain facts.
True, I forgot half of my class notes but somehow remember random movie quotes.
Same, and that's the foundation of my research. How narrative-based learning relates to memory retention.
Didn't you review some studies about narrative learning environments?
Yep. One of the most well-known ones is by Rowe, Shore-Smoot, and Lester, 2011. They use a narrative-centered learning environment called Crystal Island.
Oh right, that's the game-based learning project, isn't it?
Yeah, that they found that studies engagement like presence, situational interest, and even game performance correlated positively with their learning outcomes in microbiology. Gender and gaming experience didn't really matter.
So the narrative structure both engagement-wise then improve learning.
Exactly. In fact, presence was a strong predictor of learning outcomes.
Interesting, but wasn't there another study with slightly different results?
Yes, McQuiggan, Rowe, Lee, and Lester 2008, same environment, but they found that traditional learning scores were actually lower in the narrative group.
So narrative learning didn't directly improve test results.
Not immediately, but it significantly increased motivation like self-efficacy, perceived control, interest, and engagement. So the learning experience became more meaningful.
So it's like narrative doesn't always give instant high grades, but it builds better learning attitude.
Exactly, and motivation is super important for long-term memory retention.
Yay, if we're more engaged and confident, we're more likely to retain the information later.
Yes, and another study in Hakkarainen 2008 focused on early childhood. They used play words where children and teachers enter story scenarios together.
That sounds cute, but also ingenious.
It is. Kids became more imaginative, better at problem solving, and more socially connected. Their engagement was also higher than in traditional classrooms.
Wow, so narrative learning support cognitive, emotional, and social development and their same time?
Absolutely. Stories provide context, emotion, and meaning, elements that enhance memory encoding regardless of age.
Okay, now I understand your topic isn't just interesting but also very useful for real life learning.
Yep, all these studies strengthen the theoretical basis for my research. Narrative-based learning has a clear relationship with engagement and memory retention.
With that knowledge, you sound like you're ready to defend a thesis already.
Please don't manifest that yet. I'm still trying to survive one semester at a time.
You'll survive future psychology, Miselda in the making.
Thanks. I'll take the compliment.